Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle 205. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here. So this is our 3. 7 here, so 1, 7. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 3. Don't see any other help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this column, we're missing 1. And 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this row, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 4, 7. 7 here, so 4, 9. And no help here, 4, 7, 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 8, 8 here, so 2, 4, 8 and 2 here, so 4, 2, 8. That 4 makes this our 9. We can get rid of this 9. For this column now, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 and 8 covering this box, so this is our 1. 6 here, so 8, 6. For this top row now, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 1. And that 5 covers this box too, so this is our 7, 5, and that 7 makes this our 4, 7. For this box now, we're missing a 2. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 4. And I don't see any help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 6, 4. That 6 makes this our 3, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this, oh, that can't be right. Now we've got 2 3s here. They can't be switched around because we've got a 3 here, so the 3 can't be here, and a 4 here, so the 4 can't be here. All right. Well, that'll do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.